it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And today I want to tell you my favorite thing about owning rental property. And yes, you guessed it, it's that monthly, consistent revenue. Now, a lot of you out there are probably in a situation where you're in some type of financial hardship. And the truth is, you can only be in so many places at once, okay? So that's a problem that a lot of people have, is they're the best in their trade, but you've hit a ceiling because you can only do so much with your skills. The advantage to rental property is that no matter how many you have, assuming you have the right property manager, you can continue to build your portfolio, continue to build your wealth, and it doesn't take you away from the things you love, such as your family or your leisure time or traveling. You can still do these things when you own rental property. However, if you own one restaurant, now 2 or 3 locations, you become spread thin, you become very stressed out, and you probably will end up losing your quality. So that's my advice to you, is buy rental property, get outfitted with the right property manager, and then you can continue to grow every day and build your wealth without sacrificing your time. So once again, this is Gregory Rice at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.